Hey, welcome back to the Happy Heroes. Let's see how we can crochet this beautiful pair of Rakhi. I have crocheted this specially for Bhai, and the other one is here for Bhabhi. We can also call it as a Lumba Rakhi. And to adorn this Rakhi, I have used some pearls and the rhinestone as you can see. So let's see what exactly the material will require. You can pause and check the details. Let's begin. So here I am using this 3-ply cotton crochet yarn, and the shade I have taken is royal blue. Start with taking a magic ring, then insert your hook and pull a loop. Now just take a slip knot here. Now to start our round 1, chain 2, 1 and 2. We'll consider this chain 2 as 1 half double crochet and work another half double crochet to the ring here, and 1 more half double crochet to the same ring, then work double crochet to the ring, here. Now work 4 more double crochet, here. Next work a try crochet, here. So now we'll again work 5 total double crochet, so after working total 5 double crochet, take 3 half double crochet to the ring, here. Now slip stitch to end this round, and you'll do it to the top of first half double crochet here. So now just chain 1 and cut the yarn off. So here we are all done working our first round. Change yarn color to work our next round. We will start by skipping our first 3 stitches and working to the 4th, means we have to start to the double crochet from the previous round and take a slip knot here, then go to the next stitch and work a single crochet here, and likewise we'll work 4 more single crochet to the next 4 stitches. So here we are at the top of the feather. We have to work single crochet, then chain 1 and single crochet to the same stitch here, then work 8 single crochet to the next 8 stitches here. So once you're at the bottom of the feather, you'll make a picot and it will be medium size. So to crochet a medium size picot, you work single crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we'll slip stitch to the very first channel here, like this. Then work single crochet to the next, and 2 more single crochet to the next 2 stitches here. Then slip stitch to the very first single crochet. Now just chain 1 and cut the yarn off. So here we are done with our round 2 as well. Now change yarn color to work our next round. Here I am using macrame yarn with 1 mm thickness. Now attach yarn, taking slip knot, and you will do it to the stitch which come before the slip stitch we have taken earlier, right here. Now just make a slip knot. Here. Now we'll go to the next stitch and work a picot. And here we'll be working a small picot. So first take a single crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch to the top of single crochet only. Here. Then go to the next and repeat. Also crochet the left yarn from the previous round along with crocheting, so it will be secure. So to the next we are working single crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch to the top of single crochet again. Here. So now we'll go to the next and we'll work a single crochet here. So here we have crocheted 2 small size picot. Next we'll work medium size picot. For that we need to chain 3 instead of 2 here. Then again slip stitch to the top of same single crochet like this. Repeat 2 more times. Now we are at the top of the feather. Here the chain space we created from the previous round will work a large size picot. So single crochet, then chain 4 here. Now slip stitch to the top of single crochet. Here. Then go to the next and work medium size picot. Now following the same process, we have to crochet 2 more medium size picot to the next 2 stitches. So once you are done with crocheting medium size picot, we'll go to the next and work small size picot. So to the last 2 stitches you'll be working 2 small size picot. And yes, it's done. So now we'll slip stitch to the next, then chain 1 and cut the yarn off. Now secure the left yarn and here it's done. Now just cut the all extra yarn here. So this is how it will be done. Now following the same process, you have to crochet one more feather in order to crochet a lumba rakhi for bhabhi. But in case if you are crocheting for bhai only, then no need. So now we'll see how to add dori. And here I am taking royal blue color thread. Just double the yarn to create it for one side first. Now cut it according to the size you require. Then take same length of yarn for the other side as well. You have to take the length according to the wrist size as you think you will require. Now just attach it as shown in the tutorial. You can use needle to sew. Here I am taking hook only. So like this, just take a knot and then pull your yarn and it's done. Here. Now following the same, add it to the other side as well. And here it is. Now following the same, we have to fix it to the top of another rakhi as well. Here. And just pull your yarn and it's done. So here our lumba rakhi is ready as well. Lastly, we'll adorn both the rakhi using some pearls or rhinestones. I have collected some pearls, though I was not sure what to use exactly. So let's see. And here we go. So this is exactly what I have done with my pearls and rhinestone. You can use it accordingly as you like. Here, as you can see, and it is completely optional. But using this pearl just enhance the look of rakhi. So here you can see the lumba rakhi which we have crafted especially for bhabhi. Here at the center I'm using rhinestone, then pearl to the top and the teardrop pearl to the down here. I will also mention the link of all the products I'll be using in this tutorial, or also you can find it in your local market if you can. So that's all for the day. I hope you enjoy making it. If you like the tutorial, then please do like, share and subscribe to support my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get all latest updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.